Gold and silver traded with moderate bullishness so far for the day. One thing is important, we have not seen the bears active here, but the bulls are not very much, you can say, aggressive. That is what we had seen. Yes, the inflation data today is going to be the driving factor. It can shoot up the prices like anything, or it can crash the prices as well. Now, what is going to happen? Whether it is going to crash or rise, which position you should take and at what levels, and how to profit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel in the world to give you two updates with detailed analysis on all the time frames and arrive at the levels at which you can take a trade with profits, trade with confidence, trade with logic. Thus, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch. Gold on the hourly charts has been showing a bit of a struggle at around 2612, 2615 zone, and once it breaks out this, we can look forward to a greater rise. What is happening so far for the day? You can see higher lows are seen, and it is on the verge of a breakout. Now, I have mentioned at what point you should treat gold as turned bullish. It has to break beyond 26, 25, 26, because a movement beyond 26, 25, 26 will confirm a rise towards 26, 32, 26, 40, 26, 48, 52, and then in fact higher levels towards 26, 60. Yes, mark the levels 26, 25, 26. Beyond this, certainly more bullish momentum can be expected here for the day, but right now you should observe what is happening. See, I can see a bit of hesitation here in gold at around 2612, 2615 zone, which is indeed a very, very good resistance. But at the same time, notice these tails all beautifully aligned, higher lows here and higher highs here. 20 period moving average has formed the base here now for gold, and see 260406 zone, very, very good support, and 2698, 25 598, 2600 as a next support zone. If and only if these two levels are taken, then only we should turn bearish. Moving averages have started to converge, again a very good sign. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising here looking upwards, the RSI rising here looking upwards. Coming to two, now look at the 2 hour chart. Similar observation, bit of hesitation here, and let it break beyond this zone at 26, 12, 15, and then we can expect a good rise towards 26, 18, 20, 25, 26. Breaking these three levels, close your eyes, stay bullish, stay long in gold. We are looking forward to a rise, and there is a possibility, but it is important for gold to again trade beyond 26, 25, 26. That will confirm a further rise. Right now I can see prices were trading with divergence from the 20 period. It has converged towards 20 period, and now 20 period is giving it a good resistance. The stochastic rising, the MACD after forming a double bottom has crossed over, trading with divergence, is staying bullish looking upwards. The RSI is rising as well, good sign for the bulls here. On the 3 hour charts, and you see, now look at the 3 hour chart. See, stronger consolidation has happened here. A very good base is formed, and higher lows are also seen. With that, it is trying to rise, but yes, very, very, very important for it to break beyond 26, 12, 15 zone, which I have seen it giving a greater resistance. And once it stays above this, then 26, 20 and 26, 25, 20 possibility is there. Yes, I am looking forward for it to retrace, because see, breaking out beyond this, it is going to deliver a stronger move. But you should notice that, see, on 1 hour, 2 hour charts, it is converged towards 20 period. Here also, it may attempt to converge towards 20 period. However, when you look at the formation here in gold, after drop, it retests towards 2050. Here also it has happened, and here also it is happening. But these are definitely greater resistances, and it always reverses. If it respects the bearish channel, it is going to reverse very soon. So do not read that it is going to reverse completely, but yes, a possible move towards 2650, 2660 cannot be denied with the data here. Now, second thing to note here is, look at the formation, drop, a recovery. Now this is also Fibonacci retracement. I am not touching the technical point Fibonacci here, but yes, do notice every drop has to follow with a little retracement, and this is a bigger drop, so it has to follow with a bigger retracement. Possibility is there. Stochastic is rising. MACD after forming double bottom crossed over, increasing body size, divergent mouth here suggests that possible reversal, possible further rise can be expected. RSI coming out of the overbought zone. Now, see, we are talking about the possibilities. Now, possibilities are there both ways. It is not, the chances are higher as far as my opinion is concerned that gold is going to retrace, but markets does not wait for my opinion. And if you see it dropping below first 2604 and then 2598, 25 2600, you can say there is going to be more bearishness. And any point of time if 2590 is taken, just stay short because we are looking forward to a greater correction there. Now, right now, what is happening on the 4? Look at this. Lower highs are seen here. This is giving a breakout. Now, this breakout can take the prices higher. Yes, a very much higher possibility exists here. Look at this. What has happened? 4 to 5 candles, greater consolidation. 3 to 4 candles, greater consolidation, waiting for a breakout. It can approach towards 26, 30, 32, and in fact higher levels. Stochastic rising, MACD crossing over here, good sign for the bulls. RSI coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to daily. Before we move to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily chart. See what has happened. Prices have moved towards 100 period moving average and it has got its support yesterday from the same. Now second thing to note here is look at this, look at this, look at this. Diminishing bearishness is seen here. Now today it's starting on a flat note. It appears that it can try to stretch the rise a little on the upside. Possibility is very high as far as my opinion is concerned, but it will negate once it drops below 2590. There is no other option but to stay short. And if it drops below 2584, stay short here. Just close your eyes, stay short. 2570, 2550 levels are going to be the next targets. Yes, below 2590 and 2584 it is not going to come back. Right now what I am looking forward to, a move towards 2640, 2660 levels possibly. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading with divergence and bearishness, RSI at bottom. So looking at this, first thing is I will recommend you to buy. If you see it is staying about 26 14 16 zone, you can initiate a buying entry here. Expect 26 20, 26 25, 26 26 30 32. At any point of time, if 26 30 32 is taken, 26 40, 26 48, then 26 60 levels can be expected as well. These are going to remain greater resistances. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 2604 levels. Expect 2600, 2598 as a very good support. And if it breaks below this, then 2594 and then 2590, and then 2584. Below 2584, you are looking forward to a greater down move. Prices are going to correct. Below this, you can expect 2570, 72, 2560 and 2550 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to see silver on the early charts. Look at this, draw this trend, higher lows, higher highs, waiting for a move beyond $31 levels on the upside, proving out to be greater resistance. I have mentioned earlier as well that only buying entries at 3105. Now even if it breaks beyond 3105, 3120 25 and 3140 50, greater resistances are available, because beyond this I will be aiming for silver to achieve $32 levels very. What is happening here? See, it has come down. It has taken the support from 3080. This is also the moving averages have converged here. This has formed a double bottom. This appears to be set for a rise. Just let it stay above 3105. Stochastic has retraced. MACD has converged here after a bit of retracement. Right now it has not yet crossed over. It can still start to diverge. RSI flat. Coming to 2 on the 2-hour chart, similar observation. Prices have retraced here, taking the support from the 20 period, trying to bounce back, staying above 3105. We can expect a good rise. Else, and yes, it has to break first 3120 25 and then 3140 50. If these three levels are taken, you can say now silver is reversing. Now connect the dots here. You will find it is trading in this channel. The lows of the channel are far below. So any point of time, if 3040 is taken on the downside, just stay short here. 3040, 3050 is going to remain the prime support. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is still rising. It is looking upwards on the 2-hour charts. The RSI is also trading in a comfortable zone. On the 3-hour charts, now look at the formation on the 3-hour charts. Let me show you something. Drop, retracement towards 2050. drop, retracement towards 2050, again stayed with the resistance at the 20 period, then drop and retracement towards 2050. Now this zone is very critical. See what's happening here. Prices were getting resistance from the 20 period, it is now taking the support from the 20 period, very good sign for the bulls. But remember, it has to break this zone at 31.40.50, which will confirm its next move, because beyond this, in fact, we may see it hitting $32 levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising here after the crossover. Looking, the RSI is also trading in a comfortable zone. Coming to the 4-hour charts here, on the 4-hour chart, similar formation here. Look at this, and this zone is very, very critical. Does let silver leave beyond 31 and then 31 2025? As it moves farther from these levels, the next is going to be 31.40.50, because beyond this we are looking forward to moon here. Right now I can say it is trading in this bearish channel, and it is going to be difficult for it to break past here on the upside. Stochastic overbought, MACD after the crossover now looking upwards, again good sign for the bulls, and the RSI is rising as well. Coming to now, look at the daily charts. See, you can say this could become a reversal confirmation. And see, now it appears if it breaks past 31 2025, it is going to erase all the losses from this candle, or a slightly lower highs can be seen, which means it could tries to move towards 31.40.50, and breaking beyond this, silver may attempt to move towards $32 levels here. Right now it has to break beyond 31.40.50, which is going to be the prime resistance, and then it will strive to move towards $32 levels. Possibility is very, very, very high. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD is trading bearish, the RSI at bottom. So first thing is, yes, on the downside, if it breaks below 30.70 levels, take a selling entry at 30.70. Expect 30.50, 30.40 as the first target, 30.20 as the next. And if 30.20 is taken, you should not think of buying silver. Chances will be very high that we may see it breaking towards 29.80.75 and then towards 29.50 levels. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. It appears to be trading bullish, it appears to look forward to a rise, but it can reverse with the slight negative data. On the upside, I will recommend a buying entry at 31.05, expect 31.20.25, 31.40.50 and 31.75 and then $32 levels. Yes, if it breaks beyond 31.40.50, chances will be high that we may see $32 levels very, very soon. Take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Do not miss to watch the first update every day with the Asia and Europe session. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, press the bell icon. Thank you.